Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a cool do-it-yourself project using a mobile phone. First we need to find a USB port that provides 5 volts. Previously on my channel I already showed how to make such a port. As you can see we have 5 volts, now we can desolder the wires from the port. This is what we'll need later. Now let's take a syringe and cut off a small part of it. We'll also need the syringe cap and the piston rubber. Drill out the syringe with a 6mm bit. Sand the syringe with sandpaper to make it non-transparent. Step back about 2 cm from the top of the syringe and drill a hole. Now insert a copper wire about 30 cm long into the hole. Next we need 3 BC547 transistors and an LED with a 1 ohm resistor. And all of this needs to be soldered according to the diagram shown on the screen. This is how it should look. Now solder a wire to it and place everything inside the syringe. Next, apply glue to the syringe and wrap the wire around it. Remove the rubber from the plunger, then insert it into the syringe. Solder the wires to the USB connector. White is negative, red is positive. Attach the connector to the syringe and fill with hot glue. Well, the do-it-yourself project is finished. Now watch how it works. Insert our invention into the phone's connector and bring it to the wire. If there's voltage on the wire, the LED lights up. You can also use this homemade device to find wiring in the wall. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Thanks everyone for watching and goodbye.